When it comes to drones, DJI has consistently been at the forefront of innovation. With the release of the DJI Flip and the DJI Mini 4 Pro, drone enthusiasts are faced with a compelling question: which one is worth your money? At Technology Review, we're diving deep into the key differences, advantages, and drawbacks of these two incredible drones. By the end, you'll know whether the DJI Flip is the right choice for you, or if you should stretch your budget for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Pricing and affordability. Flip's budget advantage. The price difference is one of the most noticeable factors when comparing the DJI Flip and Mini 4 Pro. At $439, the DJI Flip is significantly more affordable than the $759 Mini 4 Pro. With the Flip, you'll get the drone itself and the RC3 remote, which requires pairing with a smartphone to view the live feed. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro comes with similar options but offers more premium features, justifying the higher price. For those on a budget or just starting with drones, the DJI Flip is a wallet-friendly option. It delivers excellent value for its price point while still packing advanced features. However, if you're looking for a more professional tool with additional functionalities, the Mini 4 Pro might be worth the investment. Beginner-friendly design. DJI Flip simplicity. The DJI Flip caters to beginner pilots, and it shows in its thoughtful design. The prop guards provide added safety, and its intuitive features, like instant power on when unfolded, make it easy for first-time users. Closing the Flip powers it down automatically, simplifying the user experience. For those intimidated by drone flying, this convenience makes a big difference. The Mini 4 Pro, while also user-friendly, doesn't have the same plug-and-play feel as the Flip. It's slightly more complex, but designed for those who already have some experience flying drones or who need advanced features for professional purposes. No controller? No problem. A standout feature of the DJI Flip is its ability to perform quick shots without the need for a physical remote controller. Borrowed from the DJI Neo, this functionality lets you execute pre-programmed flight modes like circle, rocket, and drone directly from the drone. It even lands safely in the palm of your hand, making it a perfect tool for vloggers or casual users looking to capture stunning aerial shots without hassle. The Mini 4 Pro doesn't offer this hands-free capability. While it has more advanced tracking and shooting options, it requires a controller for operation. Image quality. A close match. Both the DJI Flip and Mini 4 Pro feature 1/1.3-inch sensors, offering similar image quality. You'll get sharp, stabilized footage from both drones, thanks to their 3-axis gimbals. However, the Mini 4 Pro edges out slightly in overall stability during flights, particularly in windy conditions. While the Flip outshines budget drones like the DJI Neo in terms of image quality, it can't quite match the refinement of the Mini 4 Pro, especially when shooting in challenging environments. Advanced features. Mini 4 Pro's edge. One of the biggest reasons to consider the Mini 4 Pro is its advanced obstacle avoidance system. Equipped with 360-degree obstacle detection, it ensures safer flights even in complex environments. The Flip, by comparison, only features infrared sensors on the front, limiting its ability to detect objects around it. Additionally, the Mini 4 Pro supports advanced tracking modes like Active Track and Spotlight. These allow the drone to follow fast-moving objects like cars or bikes with precision. While the Flip offers basic follow-me functionality, it lacks the sophistication of the Mini 4 Pro's tracking capabilities. Flight stability. Mini 4 Pro wins. Both drones boast level 5 wind resistance, but the Mini 4 Pro performs slightly better in real-world scenarios. Thanks to its streamlined design, it offers smoother and more stable flights, even in breezy conditions. The Flip, with its prop guards, can sometimes struggle to maintain the same level of stability. Noise levels. A quiet contender. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is remarkably quiet, with a low-pitched, soothing propeller sound that's barely noticeable. This makes it ideal for filming in quiet environments, like nature reserves or residential areas. The DJI Flip, while not excessively noisy, has a more noticeable tone, which might not be as pleasant during extended flights. Battery life. Mini 4 Pro's longer flights. Battery life is another area where the Mini 4 Pro outshines the Flip. The Mini 4 Pro offers up to 34 minutes of flight time with its standard battery and an impressive 45 minutes with the high-capacity option. In comparison, the Flip provides about 31 minutes of flight time and doesn't have an extended battery option. For professionals or enthusiasts planning longer flights, the Mini 4 Pro is the better choice. Compact design, surprisingly close. Despite its name, the DJI Flip isn't the most compact drone in this comparison. When folded, the Mini 4 Pro is smaller and easier to pack, making it a better option for frequent travelers or content creators who prioritize portability. Vertical shooting, a clear Mini 4 Pro advantage. If vertical shooting is a priority for you, the Mini 4 Pro has a significant edge. Its camera can physically rotate to shoot true 4K vertical videos, perfect for social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. The Flip can shoot in a vertical format, but only by cropping the frame to 2.7K resolution, which might not meet the quality standards of professional creators. Which drone should you choose? Ultimately, the choice between the DJI Flip and Mini 4 Pro depends on your needs and budget. Go for the DJI Flip if you're a beginner looking for an affordable, user-friendly drone. Hands-free quick shots and built-in safety features appeal to you. You want a compact, versatile drone without breaking the bank. Opt for the Mini 4 Pro if advanced tracking, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and stability are must-haves. You're a professional or enthusiast who values longer battery life and quieter operation. True 4K vertical shooting and portability are essential for your workflow. At Technology Review, we believe both drones offer incredible value in their respective categories. The DJI Flip is perfect for newcomers or casual users, while the Mini 4 Pro is a powerhouse for serious creators.